Hello, Candace Carter Thoughts to go. I have had some requests to post again Monday mornings. I will do my best. However, I will be posting first playlist one, which is this Thoughts to Go, playlist two, which is the week after to be reading my book, and playlist three, which at the present time is The Artist Was Present in the studio of my deceased husband, Trudilo Kasha. So this is again the classic way I started. And I've kind of been thinking about what happens when you change perspective according to what you're normally doing. Now, I think this probably applies to any profession. I can only apply it to my own. Um, since around 35 years, I have been major. I have basically been a painter, later a performance artist, and now at the age of 69, around the age of 65, I started wanting more to write. Now, this isn't anything new. I come from a family that, I'm not kidding, everybody wrote. So I, and I've written over the years, publications, some, usually just whatever came along that interested me, which now, as since I've written a novel and I am working on some new texts, um, is there a difference? So it was a creative process, which is true. Creative process can be very similar, and yet it's not similar. I think what I would like to pass on to you is if you do something for a number of years till you get pretty good at it, and then you switch, you take everything that you had learned from this one field and you bring it to the next field. It doesn't mean you don't have to uh, work like hell to get into the new field. It just means if you branch out in your life, it's good if you've done something basically professional for a while, because then it helps to do something else. Now, this is probably true of hobbies also. I just think it's kind of important to stick at things a little bit till you get kind of good and then maybe move on. So, I guess that's all I really have to say today. And next week, I will be back reading my book, and the week after, the artist was present in Tudilo's studio, and so hope to be back with you next week, and have a good week.